Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to play games on Snapchat, so let's jump right into it. The method is very easy, so please follow up with me. First we open Snapchat and then we go to the chat by tapping here on the bottom. From here tap on the chat or the person that you want to play games with. Now right here there should have been a rocket symbol, a rocket icon, and that is the one dedicated for the games. Now to get it back, just follow up with me, go to your browser. Then search for Snapchat old version 2022 APK. After that, tap on one of these websites. I'm going to use up to down. From here, scroll down until you find a version that has the date of 2022 under it. I'm going to choose one of the 2022 versions. Tap on it and then tap on download. Confirm the download, tap on download anyway, and then wait for it to download. Once it does, just go ahead and install it and then log in again. And this time, once you go back to your chats and then of course tap on the person that you want to play the games with, the games icon will be present this time. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.